Here we have a really nice VERMEER Super M Cornstalk Special baler. It's been well maintained. It comes with a small 1,000 constant velocity PTO. The Cornstalk Specials have the optional powered wind guard. This pickup is in really good condition. All the teeth are there. Nice tight pickup. Good sheet metal on this baler, stored inside. Chains and sprockets have been kept up. Tires have good tread. The Cornstalk Special balers have scales so you can tell the bale weight on the go. And they have moisture sensing so you can know the moisture of the bale right off of the monitor. This one also has work lights. And this one has the really awesome feature of the inline ramp. So this baler takes the bales and turns them other way and sets them off beside the baler. Belts are all in real good condition. Really good appearance, nice shine. Beautiful looking baler. Good luck bidding.